How do you examine the profitability of a course topic? That's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And I'm going to give you a list of profitable topics that I've put together that may interest you, that you may want to create courses around. Okay? Awesome. So to examine the profitability of a course topic, the first step I would suggest you do, and the most important thing probably that you could do when it comes to examining whether a certain course topic is going to be very lucrative for you, is to use Udemy's own marketplace insights, right? So you go to your instructor dashboard, right? And then on there you go to tools, marketplace insights. And from there you can just type any course topic that you're interested in, and Udemy is going to give you a bunch of data that's related to that particular topic. And there's a list of promising topics here as well. So let me show you my list of topics that I have put together. First one, programming. Second, engineering. This is not in any particular order, by the way. These are just profitable topics that are really going to be lucrative over the next few years. So programming, engineering, these will always work, right? These are very lucrative skills. If you're a good programmer, a skilled programmer, a skilled engineer, those are very lucrative skills to have. Development is another one. Information security, absolutely. Design thinking, maybe not so much, but according to my own research, it is a bit of a profitable course topic. Cryptocurrency, absolutely profitable. Neuroscience, increasingly so. Psychology as well. Anything that has anything to do with influence, persuasion, is in high demand nowadays. Marketing psychology, okay, and storytelling. I highlight these three in green because I myself am interested in these three topics, so I may or may not create courses around these in the future. Okay, so for example, let's do programming is a broad topic, right? You don't want to create a course that says, oh, learn programming. You got to be more specific than that, right? There's got to be some sort of a programming language or a few. I've actually seen some courses do very well. How to become the ultimate programmer by learning different languages all in one course. Those courses are actually doing pretty well. And you might have seen those on Udemy. Courses, for example, that are like, oh, this is 10 courses in one, all put together in one course. Obviously, students can see a lot of value there, right? Because instead of enrolling in one course, it's going to teach you, say, one programming language. You're going to learn multiple programming languages all at once, paying basically the price of one, right? There's a lot of value there. That's why those courses are working really well. Okay, so let's look at one of these topics. Let's start, for example, with design thinking. Okay, so you go back to this URL right here, instructor marketplace insights. You're going to need to sign up to become an instructor, right? You're going to create a course. You don't have to upload any content or anything. Just put in a title and fill in a little bit of information. You'll be able to access your instructor dashboard, and from there go to tools and then marketplace insights. Okay, so design thinking. Okay, so monthly revenue is not that high. Actually, I could start with the most profitable course topic that I've ever done, and that would be data science. In my experience, the most competitive course topic that I've ever worked with. I've had a data science that I've worked with, and we've put together on Udemy over 20 courses on Udemy. As you can see here, 55,000. This is a very lucrative course topic. If you know anything about data science, I encourage you to follow the advice outlined in this course and put together a course, and I promise you, you're going to make a lot of profits from your online course if you follow what I teach in this course. Okay, so like I said, it has a lot of demand, and it's also very competitive. The number of courses is really high. Okay, data science is the most searched for keyword, obviously. And these are the keywords, right? These help with SEO. So you need to put these in your course landing page in order for your course to rank highly. The conversion rate is great, almost 13%. And if you go down, there's 301 courses under this topic, data science. Enrollments going to highly rated courses are 91%, and only 16% of the courses. So if you can create a pretty high quality course and then get it to say above 4.5, an average rating of 4.5 or above, you're gonna do really well on the platform. But here's the issue. Like I said, it's very competitive. The first course is machine learning. It's about machine learning A to Z, Python and R, okay, for data science. Okay, and the course is 44 hours. Like I said, this is the direction that everything is going right now. All the courses are becoming more and more lengthy because that's what students are attracted to nowadays. And so you have to adjust. You can't use what you've been using many, many years ago and hoping to achieve the same kind of success. If you want to be successful today, these are the people you're competing with. So you got to be very familiar with what they're doing and see how you can offer something different, how you can offer something better, and so you can compete with them fair and square. The data science 2021 complete data science bootcamp. You're gonna learn this in my course if you haven't already. So this person is using the keyword data science here. So 3 times in order to rank for that particular keyword, because it's the most lucrative one with a traffic of 20%. For this particular topic, which is crazy. And then machine learning with 16%, which is the topic of the first and most lucrative online course. And they're both bestsellers. Okay, Josie Portea, Python for data science and machine learning. Again, those 2 keywords, Python and machine learning. As you can see here, an insane amount of ratings and reviews, 96,000, and the other one, actually the first one, over 100,000, which is insane. And even when we created courses and wanted to compete with these guys a few years ago, these courses were already doing pretty well. I think they already had over 100,000 students enrolled in them, and some of them, and it was even competitive then. But now it's on another level. It's on a completely different level now. But not to say that you can't compete. You can absolutely compete. I mean, they say the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The next best time is today, is now. Okay, so if you want to create an online course about data science, it's absolutely lucrative. Like I said, you just have to follow the advice on this course or in this course, and you'll be able to do pretty well. Because I have developed multiple strategies. I've created many, many strategies for how to compete with the big guys, right? And there are many ways you can do that. Okay, A to Z, real data science, real exercises. Okay, programming 10.5. Okay, so this person is able 365. So he has another course that's much longer, and he's able to compete with them with a course that's only 5 hours. Okay, but I'm not suggesting you do the same thing. If you're going to compete in data science, if your course is going to be about data science, I recommend you create a lengthy course. Okay, so that's the most profitable course that I have seen personally. Okay, now let's go back to design thinking. Okay, so $1,600 top monthly income between the top 5 instructor over the last 3 months. Okay. Software architecture, design thinking, that's not really related. Design thinking, okay, so pretty much just design thinking is the right keyword here. The other ones are pretty much useless. It has a conversion rate of 8%. Okay, and then there's only 53 courses on Udemy around this particular topic. Courses rated above 4.5 are only 6%, which is not a big issue since this particular topic. A lot of enrollments don't really go to highly rated courses, which is great. But obviously you want your course to rank, to have a high average rating. Okay, complete design thinking masterclass, and okay, they must complete it on the market. Basically, you see this, he wants to make his course the only one. He does not want to compete with other people. He said, hey, buy this course, this is the only one you need, you don't need anything else. And yeah, as long as you do a pretty good job of convincing people that your course is going to deliver on what it promises, you're going to get a lot of enrollments. 7 easy steps to expert level design thinking professional. Okay. There's 3 keywords there, right? Design thinking, design thinking, design thinking. So the first one is 4.5 hours, 2 hours. 1 hour for beginners, develop innovative ideas. So this is a course topic that you can easily dominate. I think that's why I probably put it among this list of profitable topics, because it's not just about creating something that's really profitable. It's also about finding maybe a course topic that is less profitable, but with less competition, right? A course topic that you can easily dominate, right? Because it's also a big factor, the competition part. So 1 hour, 0.5, and 3 hours, 0.5, Innovation Management Foundations. And this course pretty much has only 18 ratings. It's also worth it to go to Udemy as a student and type in design thinking. To also look at the other courses, because right here you can see the top courses, the most profitable courses. But when you go to udemy.com and type in the search bar design thinking, you're going to be able to see some of the new courses that are out there as well. So design thinking is a good topic. Let's check the other ones. Neuroscience. This is another trendy topic. $2,000 top monthly income. That's better than design thinking. Okay, the keywords: neuroscience, brain, personal development. Okay, neuropsychology, master your brain. Okay. All right, 12% conversion rate, not bad at all. Okay, 85%. Wow, of enrollments go to 22% of the courses, and there's only 37 courses. So this is a really profitable course topic, right? Because there's high demand. The top monthly revenue is decent. It's not the best, but there's not a lot of courses around this particular topic, only 37, right? Master your brain, neuroscience for personal development. Okay, discover how this approach can help with stress, self-confidence. Okay. Master neuroscience and neuroanatomy. 100 hours. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, so you can see that this course is not an older one here. Neuropsychology, neurophysiology and the stress response, 2.5. Okay, that's a bit specific. Learn neuroscience, how your brain works, in 6 lectures. Okay, that's pretty good. Learn about the role of our brain in our personality, abilities, imagination, consciousness, beginners. Okay. Learning strategies for exam. That's another specific course, specifically for brain training, improving memory, mind mapping, memory, brain training, study skills, note taking, pass exam. Okay, so for students, basically. Okay, so this is a good topic. Neuroscience is a good topic.